Everyone, welcome back to another video from Winter Forest. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for similar videos. And today's question is called the majority element. Given an array of size n, find the majority element. The majority element is the element that appears more than n or 2 times. You may assume that the majority is non-empty and the majority element always exists in the array. Example 1 has been given is 3, 2, 3. So the output is 3 because the 3 appears twice. And the second example is 2 because 2 appears 4 times and 3 only appears 1 times. For this question, you could simply solve by just use a hash map. But you already, if you follow my channel, I always use the best or interest solution to solve it. So what is the best way? I did a bit of search. They have a Wikipedia called this one. It's called the Boyer-Moore majority voting algorithm. So basically, you actually just, if you are interested, you could read this document. Basically, the main explain just over there. You actually keep tracking, and then once you find, you can keep counting up and decrease the count, but you keep your result in the end, just return the result. So what they said in here, initial an element m and a count r with r equal to 0. For each element x of the input sequence, if equal to 0, then assign m equal to x and then r equal to 1. Else m equal to x, then assign r equal to I plus 1, and else assign r equal to I minus 1. So basically, the code is follow this instruction. So you could just go search this one. I actually write the code. Let's just go through how we solve it. So the code either say we're going to have a count, so equal to count equal to 0. Then we have an integer. You have a result equal to now, and then you have a for loop. You definitely going to loop all of the element, and for this element actually just check only if the count equal to 0. Then your action you start because you counting one by one up. Once you decrease. Then you start this one's count. And once you find a new one, you start another count, but you keep the previous result. So it is, so your result actually equal to none in this time. And once you come out, then you also change your count. The count depends your num equal to this result or not. If it is just plus 1, otherwise just minus 1. And in the end, just return the result. Just let's use this as an example, just go through it. So first time you come in, count equal to 0. So a result, just write it in here, result equals 2. And the num current is 2. And then you coming out, how about the count? Then the count equal, they are equal, the count current is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Then you come in, and the second 2 come in. The second 2, the result is still 2. The num still 2. Then you coming out. And this one won't do. The second time the count is not equal to 0, this won't do. So this actually simple just count plus 1. This is 2. Then you come in 1 coming in. Once the 1 coming in, the number is 1. The number is 1, yes. Then you come in count equal to 0, not equal to 0, so you come to here. Is they are equal? No, they are not equal, so you just minus 1. And then the second one coming in, you coming in still the 1, then you compare in here count equal to 0, no, then the count going to and they are equal, not equal, so -1, the count equal to 0. And then coming in the number still is 1, and then the count equal to 0, yes, then you also change the result equal to 1, then you go into here the count equal to none, and they're equal, yes, count plus 1, and then you coming again the 2 count equal not equal to 0, so it count in here, so the count not count in here, then you go into here, you go into -1, go into 0, then you come in this and come in 2, and the number is 2, and then you come in 1, you see, then you come in the result the 0, then you go and change the result to 2, then the count plus 1, and then continue the another one plus 1, then you return the result is 2. So the action is follow the what I showed you in the Wikipedia. I did a bit of search. Let's just see. I have a syntax issue. So the finish for this one, it is pass, and let's submit it. Hope it don't fail. Yeah, it succeed. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this help.